In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to load legal size paper for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series. This will be done on tray 2. So let's remove the paper from tray 2. In order to load legal size paper, press on this latch and extend tray. So let's press on this latch and extend out. Once the tray is extended, you may put the legal size paper into the tray. Push back the tray. So on the control panel, select Modify. The type is plain paper. And the size, you can change it to legal. You'll notice that the tray is protruding out. This is perfectly normal when the tray is loaded with legal size media. Next, we'll show you how to load paper into tray 1. We'll use A5 paper size. So this is an A5 paper and we have printed a watermark tray 1. To load into tray 1, place it at tray 1 and use the paper guides until it just touches the edge of the paper. There will be a sensor that pulls in the A5 paper. So this is how you load legal size paper into tray 2 and A5 paper into tray 1. Next, we're going to show you how to print from tray 2 some A5 paper. So let's remove the legal size paper. So this is a A5 paper and we have printed the watermark tray 2 on it. So let's put it in. Now, you need to press on this latch so that the tray will close all the way in. The next demo will show you how to print from tray 1. So from Microsoft Word, we need to select the layout for the paper size to be A5. Let's put in some text. So we have got page 1 and page 2. Let's do a file print. Now make sure the Color LaserJet is the correct printer selected. We will print page 1. Now recap that we have put A5 media in tray 1. So we'll select tray 1. Let's print. And there, page 1 is printed on tray 1 as selected from the Microsoft Word. Let's print page 2 from tray 2. So now page 2 will print from tray 2. Let's print. And there, page 2 is printed on tray 2. So this is how you load legal size paper and A5 paper for use for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series.